courses are just so much more impactful. They stand out more when you create them because you're infusing your energy, your experience, your personality. Those things will not be lost, okay, on people, especially your premium buyers. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Let's get it. Hello. What's going on? Awesome party peeps. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. And today we are talking about why right now is the best time for you to build out, create, and launch and scale, all right, your standout course, okay? This is the best time in history for you to do it. And I want to tell you why. If you don't know what we talk about here on this channel, we talk all things premium courses, luxury coaching, and mentorship brands, how to build those out using your wisdom, your life experience, your expertise, so you can package that into the format of courses and not just those one-off courses that people are charging $97 or $297 for. All right, we're talking about actual programs, mentorship brands, luxury coaching programs that are going to help people get sustainable results, that are actually going to get to the root of the challenges and problems that the people that you want to serve are facing, so that you can help them continue to move forward. Okay, if that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification, so you know when new episodes like this drop and we can hang out live. All right, let's get into it now. Right now, this moment in history, this moment in time is the best time for you to build out a standout course. Okay, I feel so sad sometimes when people miss opportunities, they miss moments when it's like you can get in. This happened in 2018, 2020 specifically. So many people miss the moment to actually jump into courses. What's going on, Aguazona? Hello. It's good to see you on. What's going on, IG? It's good to see you as well. So 2018, 2020, right? Start of COVID, like right before COVID, people were missing the opportunity to jump in on courses. Some people got in 2021, which is great. 2022, that's awesome. Now we're starting to see the evolution of courses. We're starting to see premium courses, okay? This is your opportunity, again, not to just build out a $97 course or a $297 course, something quick that you can just throw online. That's not going to get you to your goals, okay? Freedom of time, resources, money, all that stuff. It's not going to get you there fast, all right? And it's also not going to get you to your goals of impact. Like, you create additional impact. Pro tip for your courses: when you are charging more, you're serving higher as well. You are serving more people. You can reach more people with those resources. And so it's very important. You don't have to start out charging $97 for your courses. You can start out at $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $100,000 if you want to. There are people with the resources, the means, and the ability to pay, and who actually are looking for what it is that you have to offer. This is not everybody's cup of tea. Your audience will not be everybody, and you have to be okay with that. All right. Like, I'm okay with that. I decided a long time ago I was not going to follow the traditional means of an ascension ladder or a value ladder, right? Like we hear in the industry and all around the markets. Like, that wasn't my vibe. My vibe was, I know what I bring to the table. I know the experience that I have, the wisdom that I have is super important, and I want to be able to package that in a very unique way. And so that's my tribe. Those are my people. If you're watching this and you get that, I learned a long time ago, like, for some people, I would hear complaints from people like, oh my God, I can't charge that. There's no way I would charge that. And I'm like, that's fine, right? But I won't be the coach for you. I won't be the mentor for you, but I have some other resources that I can forward you over, right? So that you can get what it is that you need. So again, your people, like your audience, your packaging, your courses, your programs are not going to be for everybody. You have to be okay with that upfront. To build out a standout course, this is the best time in history, okay? Since 2020, since 2019, if you didn't get in when online courses really started popping and taking off, then now is the time, right? Premium courses are taking off, and we're really in a unique time because there's this like AI, all right? We got all the AI taking over. I came across this yesterday. I was scrolling on YouTube. I'm typically on YouTube either to film videos like this, all right, which, by the way, if you're watching this is live. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification, so you know when new episodes like this drop. Hi, Nancy. Hi, Elver. Hello, Luke. What's going on? Juan. Hello. Hola. It's really great to see you on. Let me know where you guys are watching from, what time it is, where you are watching. I love to see the global reach of these episodes as well. I appreciate y'all being here. So premium courses are now, okay? And you have AI, the rise of AI. Everything is changing so rapidly. I was scrolling on YouTube. I'm typically on here either to film a video, edit content, right? Or for educational purposes, my own. I love like watching educational content. And so I was scrolling last night, watching some educational stuff, and I saw this ad, and this lady was like, I made such and such amount, and you can too. And I didn't even write my book myself. And I was like, ew. Right? Immediately. She's like, I didn't even have to do it myself. I just use these AI tools. And so that kind of inspired this video because it's like with so many people, first of all, I do not approve of that message. Okay. That is not my vibe. I think you should be creating your own stuff. That's actually what is going to help you stand out. It's you creating, like AI can give you a track list, right? AI can give you some steps, right? AI can give you some of the content that you should put in there. But imagine you not infusing your personality. Imagine you just copy pasting. Like it just doesn't work, okay? And it's not sustainable, in my opinion. Now, if you want to throw something up and throw something together, that's your vibe. And for me, that tells me the kind of people who do that sometimes. I'm not saying that we can't use these tools, AI, to help us generate some of the ideas that we may need, but to actually do the work for you, like absolutely not. When I see people talk like that, it tells me the reason that they're doing the thing, and it's typically just for money. Okay, typically that's what I say. I'm not judging, I'm just saying it's not sustainable. If you want something to last, if you want to build out something that is going to stand out, you need to put your energy into it. Okay, you need to infuse your personality. And that's why this is a great time, the best time, okay, in history for you to create a standout course, program, product, service. Like, you create it. And if you don't know how, let's not rely on AI to do it for us. Let's just go learn how to do it. Like, what happened to that? Like AI can't ride the bike for you like all the time. All right. So we got to like start getting back to learning some of these skill sets, these valuable skill sets. This also goes in, it falls in line with, some of the things I tell my clients, like, sure, I can create the course for you, which some prefer that. But I'm like, I would rather teach you how to do it. Number one, you don't have to keep coming back to me for me to create it for you and paying me the fee, okay, to create it for you. But number two, it's more enjoyable when you understand the process, when you know how to do the thing. Even if you don't want to do it at the end of the day, you at least know how to do it. And again, your courses are just so much more impactful. They stand out more when you create them because you're infusing your energy, your experience, your personality. Those things will not be lost, okay, on people, especially your premium buyers. Like, those are the things that they're going to buy for. Like, they want the interaction. Like, and I know like there are these predictions about people marrying robots. Like, if you've been watching some of the content that's been rolling out around AI, it's like people are going to start marrying robots in 20 years. And it's like, that's like wild to think about, but it may happen. And we are starting to see some cases of people like professing their love to robot girlfriends and boyfriends. No judgment. Okay. I'm just saying, some people still prefer, okay, human interaction. And I'm telling you right now, like your premium buyers, that's what they want. Okay. They want that level of interaction. They want that level of sophistication. They want the experience. But it's one of those things like, while AI can generate the ideas for you, while, it can put together a list of to-dos for you, it can't generate the energy that is necessary for you to put inside of your courses. And so with that being said, if you're interested in learning how to do it, go to jumpfirstacademy.org. Okay. I need to bring that real quick because this is a time that you can build out a standout course and program. Like, please don't miss it. I'm telling you, 2020, 2019, 2020, 2021, I was like, so many people missed it. And then they came in like 2021, 2022, and they got on it, right? On the online course train, if you will. But online courses are evolving, and this is another prime time for like you to jump in. If you've been thinking about it, like, this is it, okay? This is it. Please do not miss it. I'm not saying you won't ever be able to do it again. I'm just saying, like, right now is the time. If you've been thinking about it, this is prime time for you to get in, okay? Especially with the rise of AI and technology and all the things that are happening in the online space. Like, if you want to do it now, okay? Jumpfirstacademy.org to get started. Shameless plug. And I'm not saying do it now, okay, to force you into it. And I'm not saying it just for the clout. I'm not saying it just so you buy my products and services. I'm saying it because this is what is currently trending, right? Like, this is what the trend shows and the true definition of trend, not like trendy social media stuff. Okay, I'm talking about, as a researcher by nature, me studying the trends, the historical data of how online courses have progressed and where they are going, they will outpace traditional education. And I'm not talking about the $97 or $297 courses. I'm talking about the premium high-level courses and programs that people have the opportunity right now to start building out to stand out. So if you get in now, you have leverage to continue to grow with the trend, okay, with the data as we continue to go up. I just appreciate y'all being here so much. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Again, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when new episodes like this drop, and we can hang out live. Plus, get all the tips, all the insights about online courses, premium courses, luxury mentorship and coaching brands, and how you can build them out for yourself to impact other people around the world. You are not supposed to stay local. You're supposed to be global. All right, give your gifts out, your wisdom out. You didn't go through all that stuff just for you. You went through it to help somebody else through what they need to get through as well. JumpFirstAcademy.org to get started. Other than that, I'll see y'all back here tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Bye, y'all.